Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter Chemistry of Lactinides element. We have learned the element in which the last electron enters the F block on of their atom are called F block element. In these elements, the last electron is added to the third to of uh, third to the outermost energy level. These elements are called inner transition element because they consist transition series within transition series. They consist of two series of elements placed at the bottom of periodic table. These two series are formed by filling the element in 4f and 5f orbital and are called actinides and actinides respectively. The series involve the filling of 4f orbital. However, following lactinide is called lactinium series. The element present in the series are called actinides. They are 14 elements in the series starting from certain and ending at lutetium. The name lactinides is derived from lactinus, the first member of the series. These lactinides are also sometimes referred to as lactinones. All these elements have closely similar properties and therefore they are considered together. The reason for their similar properties is that 4f orbital in which the electron are added are embedded in the intercell, while 5d and 6s electron have similar configuration as possessed may more to the surrounding. Because of their similar physical properties, their separation and identification proves to be very difficult task. The first stage in their separation was to get them as oxides. However, the occurrence of oxides of lactinides are very rare, therefore the elements they have been called rare earth element. Nowadays the term rare earth is not used. Their substantial deposit occurs in Scandinavia, USA, USSR and India. General characteristics of lactinoids. The important general characteristics are discussed. First, electronic structure and position in the periodic table. They involve the gradual filling of 4f orbital. It may be noted that the energy of d orbital and the next inner shell f orbital are closely similar and therefore the order of filling 4f orbital in the atom show quite irregularities. At lactinium, both 5d and 4f orbital become stable due to the increasing effective nuclear charge as a result of pure shielding effect of 6s electron. Therefore, it is observed that lactinium, the incoming electron enters 5d orbital and its electronic configuration is LaZ is equal to 57 Ze 5d1 6s2. Second is physical properties. The important physical constants of lactinides are given in table 2. They are discussed below. Ionization energy. The lactinides they have fairly low ionization energy. In general, the first and second ionization energy of lactinide increases with increase in atomic number, but the variation is small and irregular. The variation of ionization energy with atomic number is shown in figure 1. Melting and boiling point. They have fairly high melting and boiling point. However, the melting and boiling point do not show any regular trend as we move from La to Lu in the series. Inspection of table 4.2 shows the europium and ytterbium have unexpected low boiling and melting point. Their atom form Eu2 positive and Yb2 positive ion and result in weaker melting metallic bonding because they are less than 3 electron per atom in the metallic bonds. The other lactinium atoms give 3 electron per atom in the metallic bond. Therefore, melting and boiling point of Eu and Ub are low as compared to the values for the other lactinide element. Density of lactinides are less, which range between 6.7 to 9.74 gram per centimeter cube. However, there is no definite trend in the density value of lactinides with increase in atomic number. Eu and Ub have unexpected low values. Heat of fusion and heat of vaporization also do not show definite trend with the increase in atomic number. Electronegativity value of lactinides are quite close to those of alkali and alkaline earth metal. Therefore, lactanides are expected to have ionic compound electron positive character because of low ionization energy and electronegativity value. The lactanides are electropositive like S block element. Oxidation state. The common oxidation state of all the lactanides is +3. In addition, some lactanides show +2 and +4 oxidation state also. These are shown by those elements which by doing so attain the stable F0, F7 and F14 configuration. For example, Ce and Tb exhibit +4 oxidation state. They attain F0 and F7 configuration respectively when they give +4 oxidation state as shown below. Eu and Ub exhibit +2 oxidation state as they get F7 and F14 configuration in +2 oxidation state as given below. La, Gd and Lu exhibit +3 oxidation state. The elements show +3 oxidation state only because by losing 3 electrons they acquire stable configuration of empty, half filled and completely filled F4F subshells. Size and spectral properties. The lactanides are silvery white, but many lactanide ions are colored both in the solid state and in aqueous solution. The color remains same even on the change of an ion. Therefore, the color are characteristic of lactanide ion. The color of ion depends upon number of unpaired electron because it has observed that the ion contain NF electron having almost a similar color to those of 14 minus NF electron. The different ions having NF and 14 minus NF and their color are given in table 4. However, it has been observed that some Di and tetra positive ion having same number of electrons or tripositive ion do not have same color. For example, Sm2 positive and Eu3 positive have same number of unpaired electron but they have different color. Some of example are in table 5. Fifth, magnetic properties. As the lanthanum ion with the exception of La3 positive, Lu3 positive, Ce4 positive, Ub2 positive are paramagnetic because they contain unpaired electron in their 4f subshell. The ion La3 positive, Lu3 positive, Ce4 positive and Yb2 positive which have 4f0 and 4f14 electronic configuration are diamagnetic because they have no unpaired electron. The magnetic properties of lactanides are different from those of transition element. As we know, the metallic movement arises from two types of motions of the electron. The spin motion of electrons around its own axis produces magnetic movement called spin magnetic movement, while the orbital motion of element around the nucleus produces magnetic movement called orbital magnetic movement. In case of transition element, the magnetic movement mainly correspond to the spin only magnetic movement. This is due to the fact that d orbitals are not well shielded from the environment and takes part in bond formation with the ligands. As a result, the d electrons of metal interact strongly with ligand surrounding to metal ion. Due to the electric field of ligand, the orbital motion of element get restricted and therefore orbital motion of those element get quenched. The magnetic moment of d Broglie element thus arises mainly from the contribution of spin motion of electron only. The spin only magnetic moment is given. Spin only magnetic moment is under root n into n plus 2. Ionic radii lanthanoid contraction. We know that as we move down a group, atomic size normally increases. This is mainly due to the additional shell or electrons between the successive period. However, as we move across a period from left to right, atomic size decreases. This is attributed to the increasing effective nuclear charge, as a result of which the outermost shell of electron is attract more and more. Consequently, the size decreases. For example, the covalent radii of alkali metal increases from Li to Cs and halogen from F to I. If we consider the ionic radii of lactanides, we get a very interesting observation. For comparing, we can take the ionic radii of trivalent ion M3 positive, which is most stable. These are shown in figure 3. It is clear that ionic radii decreases from one element to another in the lactanide series, but decreases is very small. It has been observed that from Ce3 positive to Lu3 positive, ionic radii decreases from 1.03 to 0.686. Obviously, for increase of atomic number 14, the decrease in ionic radii is only 0.17 angstrom. It is very small decrease as compared to elements of those group and periods. Similarly, on moving from Ce to Lu, the atomic radii also decreases from 1.65 to 1.56, and decrease is only 0.09 angstrom. This small steady decrease in ionic or atomic size of lactanides element with increase in atomic number is called lactanoid contraction. Cause of lactanoid contraction. In lactanoid series, the 4F elements are being added one at each step. As we move from one element to another, the shielding of one F element electron by another from the nucleus attraction is quite weak due to the shape of F orbital. The nuclear charge, however, increases by 1 at each step. Hence, with increasing atomic number, nuclear charge, the effective nuclear charge experienced by each 4F electron increases. Hence, the inward pull experienced by 4F electron increases, and this causes a reduction in size of atom or ion. The sum of successive reduction give the total lactanoid contraction. Although the lactanoids ion have a higher charge +3, yet they have large size of their ion. As a result, they have low charge density, and therefore they have a very less tendency to form complex. Their complex with unidentate ligand are very few and form complex only with fluorine and oxygen donor ligand. However, they form complex with a few chelating ligands such as beta diketone enzymes, ethylene diamine tetraacetate acid, alpha dash dipyridyl, and hydroxyl carboxylic acid such as citric acid. These complex usually have high and variable coordination number, and water or solvent molecule are often attracted to the central metal ion. Beta diketone complex of Eu3 positive Pr3 positive dissolves in organic solvent are used as lactanoid shift reagent in NMR spectroscopy. In contrast to transition element, the coordination number 6 is not very common. Coordination number below 6 is also uncommon and occurs only with bulky ligands such as. However, coordination number 7, 8, 9 are common, and they get a variety of stereochemistries. For example, the coordination number for LnOH2n 3 positive in aqueous solution are those 2B9 for easy lanthanoids, and 8 for later similar members of series. However, these elements are higher labile. The structure of these complexes are capped trigonal prism and a square equilibrium as shown below. Coordination number 10 and 12 occur with larger lactanoids and smaller chelating ligands such as NO3 negative, SO42 negative. Next is the occurrence of lactanoids. Although lactanoids are very originally called rare element, the recent studies have shown that they are not rare. All the lactanoids except promethium occurs naturally. Some of them, particularly cerium, lactanium and neodymium, are very common and occur in fairly large quantities. Cerium is the 26th most abundant of all the elements. It has been observed that lactanoids have even atomic number are more abundant than their neighboring with odd atomic number. There are about 100 minerals known to contain lactanoids. The main minerals are monazite. It is most abundant and most widespread mineral and accounts for about 78% of lactanoid mined. It is a mixture containing La phosphide and trivalent phosphates of the lighter elements such as CePr and D. It also contains small amount of heavier element and thorium phosphate. This mineral is contaminated with other similarly concentrated minerals such as ilmenite and SnO2. Manazite occurs in South Indian, South American, Africa, Brazil, Australia, Malaysia, etc. Bastnasite. It is a mixed fluorocarbonate where M is La or lactinide. The distribution of metal in monazite and bastnasite is almost similar, but the difference in that monazite contain about 5 to 10% THO2 and 3% yttrium earth which are virtually absent in bastnasite. Large amount of bastnasite mineral are found in California, Sweden, New Mexico, etc. Third, cerite. It consists silicates of Ce, LaPr, Nd and Sm. It is found in Norway and Sweden. In addition to above the three main minerals, they occur minerals in a small amount are as given below. Euxenite containing Ce and Bth, yttrium earth. Second, containing double silicate of cerium. Axenotime containing yttrium Th. Gadolinite containing yttrium earth and CeTH. Isolation of lactanides. Monazite is the best known mineral containing the lactanide. It is a mixture of phosphate LnPO4 containing thorium, zirconium ion and titanium as silicates. Mineral is powdered and digested with hot concentrated H2SO4 until a paste is obtained in which phosphate changes into the corresponding sulfates. The paste is separated by centrifugation and treated with cold water, the sulfate being more soluble in cold water than in hot water pass into the solution, while silica, zircon, etc. being unsoluble are removed. The solution is nourished with NH4OH with thorium, zirconium, titanium as precipitated out as precipitate. Then the solution is treated with sodium sulfate which precipitates out La and light lactanium as double salt, while the heavier lactanides still remain in the solution. The precipitated double salt of light lactanides are treated with hot sodium hydroxide solution. When they are converted into a mixture of oxide and hydroxide, the mixture is washed to remove sodium sulfate formed due to the process and dried in air at 100 degrees Celsius. In this process, cerium is completely oxidized to CEO2 and the other lactanides are cancelled as oxides. The mixture have approximate composition as the percentage composition for CEO2 is 50, ND2O3 20, La2O3 17, Pr2O3 8, SM2O3 is 5. The mixture is treated with the dilute HNO3 so that all lactanides oxides except CEO2 dissolved. The CEO2 is left as residue and is filtered. The crude CEO2 is dissolved in 85% HNO3 and added to an excess of dilute H2SO4 whereby the cerium is precipitated as red basic nitrate. After the removal of Ce, the other light lactanides are separated into individual components by different method based mainly on solubility difference. Above method is summed up in flowchart sheet figure 7 ahead. Lactanide compounds. The lactanides are soft and silvery white. They are electropositive and therefore they are reactive. They react with hydrogen, forming the hydrides of composition LnH2 and LnH3. These also react with several other non-metal, including oxygen, halogen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon, silicon. Most of the lactanide compounds are known in +3 oxidation state. However, some compounds of lactanoid in +2, +4 oxidation state are also known. Important lactanoid compound are compound in +3 oxidation state. This is most common oxidation state of lactanoid oxides. All the lactanoids tarnish readily in air. These burn with oxygen forming the oxide LN2O3. These are also obtained by ignition of hydroxides, carbonates, nitrate, etc. LN2O3 as well characterized. Second is hydroxide. Lactanoids react slowly with cold water but more rapidly on boiling with the liberation of hydrogen and form corresponding lactanoid hydrides. The hydrides can also be prepared by adding dilute solution of sodium hydroxide to a solution containing lactanide +3 ion. Next is halides. Lactanoids in oxidation state +3 form trihalides. Anhydrous lactanide fluoride are prepared by adding HF and NaF solution to a salt solution containing Ln3 positive ion. The fluoride are very insoluble and therefore they are easily precipitated from their solution of by HF or NaF. However, with excess F negative, the fluoride of heavier lactanides may form soluble complex LnF H2O positive. Anhydrous lactanides chloride are prepared by heating the metal in the atmosphere of dry chloride or by heating lactanide oxide with carbonyl chloride as Ln plus Cl2 will give 2 LnCl3. Ln2O3 plus 3 COCl will give 2 LnCl3 plus 3 CO2. The chloride are deliquescent non-volatile solids. They are soluble in water and crystalline with 6 or 7 molecules of water of crystallization. It may be noted that simple anhydrous lactanide halide cannot be prepared by simple heating the hydrated salt as they form lactinum oxychloride instead of dehydrating to anhydrous halides. Next is nitrides. At high temperature, the lactanides react with nitrogen to give nitride of formula LAN. It gets hydrolyzed by water like aluminium nitride Al2 give the corresponding hydroxide with the liberation of ammonia, oxysalts of lactinides. A large number of oxysalts of lactinides are known, these including carbonates, nitrates, sulfates, oxalates, phosphates, and perchlorates. They are generally prepared by dissolving the lactinides, oxide, hydroxide, or carbonate in the corresponding acid. The resulting solution are cooled when crystal of hydrates oxosalts are obtained. Double salt of lactinoids. Lactinoids sulfates are known to form double salts with ammonium and alkali metals sulfate. Some example are NH4 twice SO4 Ln2 SO4 thrice dot 8H2O. Compounds in +4 oxidation state. Among the lactinoids, only cerium, PR, ND, TB show +4 oxidation state. The only lactinoids which exist in +4 oxidation state in solution and they have any aqueous chemistry is Ce4 positive. The Ce4 positive solution are extensively used as versatile oxidizing agent in volumetric analysis. Aqueous Ce4 positive solution can be prepared by oxidizing a Ce3 positive solution with a strong oxidizing agent such as ammonium peroxidiosulfate are also used in organic reactions for the oxidation of alcohol, aldehyde and ketone. Common compound in +4 oxidation state of cerium are CEO2 and CEO2.H2ON. CEO2 can be obtained by heating the metal or CeOH3 or Ce2C2O4 thrice in air. CO2 insoluble in acids and alkali but dissolves when reduced, giving Ce3 positive solution. The analogous dark colored PrO2 and TbO2 are obtained from their stable oxides PR6 O11, and the major difference between dihalides of EU and Ca is that the dihalides of EuX2 have magnetic moment 7.9 bm corresponding to 7 unpaired electron, while calcium compounds are diamagnetic. The lactinide +2 state NdPm, Sn and Gd can also are only formed in solid dihalides LnCl2 and LnI2. These dihalides can be conventionally prepared by reducing the corresponding trihalides with lactinoid metal itself or by the hydrogen or sodium amalgam. 2 lnx3 plus ln will give 3 lnx2 and 2 lnx3 plus H2 will give 3 lnx2 plus 2 HX. The dihalide are prepared from corresponding trihalide by reduction with lactinoid metal itself. lnx3 plus ln will give 3 lnx2. The most stable dihalides are prepared by thermal decomposition. SnI2 and YbI2 can be prepared by quantitative yield by reacting the metal with 1,2-diiodoethane in anhydrous THF at room temperature. Ln plus ICH2CH2I will give LnI2 plus CH2 double bond CH2. The stable diiodide of samarious ytterbium can be prepared by the thermal decomposition of their triiodide as 2lni3 will give 2lni2 plus I2. With the exception of EuX2, all the dihalides are easily oxidized and liberate H2 from water. The diiodide of Ce, Pr and Zd differ from other dihalides. They have metallic luster and very high conductivities and are formulated as Ln3 2I negative and electron. The electron is delocalized in conduction band. So here our chapter is completed. Thank you for watching.